Good morning, Kenneth Tortoise Capital, December 9th, 2022. We're going to look at how we might use the Tharp Institute's Trader Psychology Profile instrument to assess performance and improvements in our students over time. So this is a profile from a 40-year professional proprietary trader who's been working with us for about 8 months. He's gone from a measured score of 27 to 4 on this instrument, which is a great move, meaning he's in the top 27% of all the thousands of trading profiles that the Tharp Institute has assembled over the years, and is now currently in the top 4% in terms of having what Dr. Tharp considered ideal psychological and cognitive skill profile. So it consists of a number of questions and answers, self-reporting, 174 instruments. It measures psychological characteristics, as you can see, decision-making skills, management and discipline, and then a composite score. I'll leave that for you to read, how that comprehensive instrument can help. But it's interesting just to note how the composite score of 4 brings him in actually the top 3% overall ranking in terms of having the psychological profile. So this is, in my view, evidence that the approach that we take towards reality-based trading, evidence-based trading, statistics-based trading has a measurable impact on professionals over time, and confirms our belief that the learning is in the doing. And so you can see the contact information at the Tharp Institute, or contact me if you'd like more information on this.